Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're starting in-game now. Make sure you know whether you're on Java or Bedrock because controls differ. Press F5 on PC to cycle first person, third person back, third person front. On console, use the controller's view button or D-pad. Once done, open settings and go to video so you can fine-tune options. You're setting the baseline view immediately, not fiddling later. This gets you into the right perspective so subsequent tweaks behave predictably. Now you'll refine how much you see. Use the FOV slider in video settings to widen for peripheral awareness or narrow for focused building. Higher numbers feel faster, lower numbers feel steadier. Turn on cinematic camera for smooth transitions while riding or flying, which reduces motion jumpiness. If you're in third person, choose back view to see behind you or front view to watch your avatar. Adjust until movement and visibility match how you play. Finish by locking in brightness and gamma so your view is consistent in caves and daylight. Apply settings and test by walking between biomes. If the view toggle doesn't work, go to Controls and rebind F5 or the controller view button. Input conflicts often cause the problem. Make sure mods and resource packs aren't overriding camera behavior. Disable them briefly to test. If all else fails, restart the game. That often clears temporary input or...
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.